Hi, I'm Samantha Brown. I'm an attorney with Strickitz Osbos, and today we're going to talk about the difference between a judicial foreclosure and a non-judicial foreclosure. So this is a question I receive pretty frequently, and it's pretty simple to answer, but there's a lot of details that we're not going to go into in this video. So we're just going to do a really quick nutshell of what the main differences are. So the primary difference is a judicial foreclosure is filed in court, whereas a non-judicial foreclosure is not filed in court. What I mean by that is you're going to file a summons and complaint for judicial foreclosure, and once you get a judgment and decree of foreclosure, at that point the association can choose whether to go to a sheriff's sale or not. And with a non-judicial foreclosure, you're going to start a notice of default and then schedule a notice of trustee sale and a trustee sale from that. And obviously that's going to get you there a lot quicker than if you went through the entire judicial process. So when I'm walking my clients through which one they want to do in a case, the first thing I'm going to look at is their governing documents. Your declaration has to include the authority to do a non-judicial foreclosure, and not all declarations do. It's something that we can easily amend into any declaration, but it has to be there before we can begin the process. So you're only going to want to do a non-judicial foreclosure if there's equity in the property, because you want to be able to get paid from the non-judicial foreclosure. In truth, a lot of times you don't want to do even a judicial foreclosure if there's not equity in the property, but at least you have the ability to collect from the owners personally. In a non-judicial foreclosure, as soon as that trustee sale occurs, you lose all ability to collect from an owner personally. Now, you can convert a non-judicial foreclosure into a foreclosure lawsuit or judicial lawsuit, but it's another step that just costs more money for the association. So the benefit of a non-judicial over a judicial is that it's a lot faster, and in a lot of times it's a lot cheaper. So if you have the authority to do so and there's equity in the property, it's often a really good approach.